In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change time on Windows 10. Sometimes you may need to adjust your computer's clock manually, whether you've traveled to a different time zone or your system time is incorrect. The process is simple, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the Start menu. Next, type Time into the search bar. From the search results, click on Change the date and time. This will take you directly to the Date and Time settings page in Windows 10. Once you're in the Date and Time settings, look for the option called Set Time Automatically. By default, this setting is turned on, allowing Windows to manage your time automatically. If you want to change the time manually, click the toggle switch to turn it off. After turning it off, the Change button will become active. Now, click on Change. A new window will appear where you can manually set the date and time. Select the correct date and adjust the time carefully. If your system uses a 12-hour format, make sure you choose the correct AM or PM. Once everything looks correct, click the Change button to save your settings. That's it. Your Windows 10 date and time have now been updated successfully. Accurate time settings are important for system logs, file timestamps, scheduled tasks, and application performance. If you ever want Windows to manage the time automatically again, simply return to these settings and turn Set Time Automatically back on. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows tutorials.